Hi and welcome to our comprehensive course on rapid e-learning for corporate training. In the last video, we discussed some key features and benefits offered by rapid e-learning. In this video, we'll dive into the dynamic realm of rapid e-learning, shedding light on the stages of e-learning course development and how it differs from conventional development methods. Let's start by gaining a deep understanding of the stages involved in e-learning course development. The journey begins with needs analysis. Before developing any content, it's crucial to identify the specific learning objectives and the audience's needs. Design and planning come next. This stage involves structuring the course, defining learning outcomes, and creating an outline for the content. Content creation is where the magic happens here. The actual course content, including text, graphics, and multimedia elements, is developed. Testing and review are essential. The course is evaluated to ensure it meets the learning objectives and is free from errors. Deployment is the final stage. The course is made available to learners through a learning management system, LMS, or other platforms. Now, let's delve into how rapid e-learning differs from conventional e-learning course development. Speed is the key differentiator. Rapid e-learning accelerates the development process, allowing for quicker course deployment. Flexibility is a major advantage. Rapid e-learning is highly adaptable and can accommodate changes or updates more efficiently than traditional methods. Cost efficiency is significant. Rapid e-learning often requires fewer resources and, thus, can be more budget-friendly. Rapid e-learning adopts a lean approach. It focuses on core content and essential elements, avoiding unnecessary complexity. Thank you for joining us for this course on rapid e-learning for corporate training, and we hope the video was helpful. Stay tuned for more such videos on rapid e-learning. Have any other questions? Feel free to reach out to us anytime.